Batter up ceiling fan. Batter up. Batter up. Home run. That was a home run. Home run. Home run. Run, coward. Run, coward. I gotta try this again. Oh no, it hit the TV. We gotta see how bad it is. I gotta make sure. I gotta make sure it's... Next screen. Alright. The ball is... This guy had our side, maybe. Strike one. Where'd it go? Right here. Type in sound effects. SpongeBob type in. Well, it does not work on my computer. Doesn't even. I got home suspension at school because I said an inappropriate thing about school. One to go. It just hit the light. Like that ball was kind of weak. One more time. I got hit one more time. I got hit it one more time. Just don't try this at home because it is dangerous. Get hit you in the eye, but good thing, no damage. I can't even do it. I need to do it. Let's get it again. That's like done with the video now. I'm all done with that because it's like it is dangerous. The reason why it's dangerous because you get it in your eye can be affected, or here in your head, like it will hurt a little bit. But that ball is not hard. If it was this baseball, it was worse. Baseballs are hard because they're only for baseball game only. I got those. Baseball's gonna be worse. It was like it's harder than hit you in the forehead, and but it could happen with coma. Now I have to check this out. I have to do the polling game. I have to upload this video.